Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another math lesson in Tinkercad. So let's get cracking. So friends, this is a rectangular prism. We've got a quick project where we have to calculate the surface area and the volume, and we also need to understand what a cross section is. The first thing I'd like to cover is the surface area. Hopefully you understand, and I'm going to make this blue so it shows up, that this is a face, and if you're going to calculate the surface area, you need to do the length times the width. So if we call this the length, it'd be 60, and if we call this the width, it would be 50. So 6 times 5 is 30, 60 times 50 is 300. I have seen some students stop at that spot with the project, but what we have to do is get the area of all the faces. So I'm going to rotate this down so that it's sitting flat, and then hopefully you can understand that, oh yes, there is one on the back as well. So now you can see I have just ripped off these two faces, and I'm going to delete the inside piece, and we're left with these other faces that we need to find the surface area for. I'm going to real quickly use my Tinkercad skills to drop these down and get them all arranged so they're easier to look at. So really quickly, friends, you have a front and a back. You've got a top and a bottom, and you've got a side and a side. When you've got all 6 of these sides, you can find the area of them all, add those areas up, and you've just calculated the surface area. That's how you do it. So friends, here I have brought back our original prism. To calculate the volume, all you do is length times width times height. You do have to remember the units that you used. I am using centimeters, so mine would end up being centimeters cubed when I multiplied the length times the width times the height. If you use inches, it would be inches cubed, and so on and so forth. The last part of the project is to understand what a cross section would look like. Friends, a cross section is simply when you slice it in half. If we take these two shapes and group them, it will cut it in half. My friends, when you cut a rectangular prism, you still get a rectangle, no matter which direction you look at it. How sweet is that? So my friends, don't forget, for this surface area, you need all 6 sides added together, and you need to label it as centimeters squared or inches squared, and then also when you're doing volume, it is length times width times height, and it has to be centimeters cubed. Friends, I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please give the video a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.